Hello, Johnson Jaguar. Salam, Jaguar.
Привет, Johnson.
Hola, Johnson.
Jumbo, Johnson Jaguars.
Hi, Johnson Jaguars. My name is Evelina.
My name's Brendan. My name's Aaron.
Today is June 3, 2024.
Let's get started with the Jaguar play.
I'm a Johnson Jaguar.
I am a responsible learner. I am safe.
I'm respectful.
I'm productive.
I'm a Johnson Jaguar. Be safe. If someone hurts you, tell an adult at school. Do not copy that person's behavior.
Be respectful. Roast is not prohibited at school. It is not respectful and often leads to hurting others. Be productive. Visit the lending library or the book fair to choose books for your summer reading list.
Hi, Johnson Jaguars.
I'm Brendan. I'm Frank. And we're going to be interviewing Noah about his books.
It's basically a bundle of books where I just go on these adventures, and then there's actual people. He's in there, his friends in there, a lot of my classes in there, and a lot of teachers here are.
Why did you start your book?
Honestly, I just wanted something to happen. I just wanted to do something that was I thought I would you know what I'm saying? Because it started off from power writing. I was power writing, and then I got to show my book, so I showed the first 2 chapters, and I typed it out to make a book.
What did inspire you?
What inspired me? Oh, it's just basically all anime and superheroes.
So how many volumes have you written so far?
I've written 19, but the ones that I've sold out are 12.
So tell me about this sold out thing. What happens when you bring a new book?
When I bring a new book, I just say who wants one. Because I approach my table when I get to school, and I bring my bag out, and then I tell everyone to form a line, and then I just give everyone one. I just pass.
And I have to be a guard.
What was your favorite volume so far? Oh, my favorite volume? Most likely 7. 7 is just it's very, I can't explain it. It's just very, very good.
Thank you for
Thank you. Thank you for making it. Thank you for having me. Jaguars. Today we're going to be talking about open house. Open house was last Thursday. The open house was so much fun, and it was so much delicious treats. Here are some pictures of people having fun. Roll the clip.
Hi, my name is Fadi.
My name is Tajay.
We're going to talk about the movie theater.
The movie park is coming up this Friday.
It's going to start at 8 p.m. and you can bring your families, and make sure you bring your family so they can watch too.
And it's for free.
No paying, no tickets. You just come for free. There's lots and lots, and we have a gigantic field. Bye.
Bye.
This year's movie is Happy Feet. Bring chairs, blankets, snacks, and jackets. Miss Samar took some of our parents on a field trip to Old Town. Looks like they had a lot of fun.
Hi, Johnson Jaguars.
I'm Yara.
And I'm Alina.
And I'm Jackie.
Today, I'll be talking about the 5th grade bowling field trip.
And I'll be talking about the DOL presentation. The 5th graders will be doing a presentation about what jobs they want in the future.
We'll be going to Parkway Bowl / which is also Boardwalk. We will have a blast. Yara, are you good at bowling? Are you good at bowling? I am good.
Action.
Hello, Johnson Jaguars. My name is Fadi.
And my name is Jackie.
Today we are going to talk about field day.
Field
field day is at the end of the year?
Field day is when we have a lot of fun and a lot of activities. And
A
a fifth grader is gonna be a captain of the team. There's gonna be like 50 numbers.
I'm Arabella.
I'm Jair. Last week assembly was the last assembly of the year.
It was so fun. Look at all these pictures.
Look, all those pictures were so good.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that flag assembly.
With liberty and justice for all. Oh, we didn't see you there, Johnson Jaguars. The second graders have already sang for the Lions Club, and every second grader that participated got a United States flag.
Let's play the clip of them singing.
Really good singing, yeah.
Those were really good video clips.
Bye, Johnson.
Hey guys, this is the Jag assembly, and Jag assembly is so cool, bro. They were doing backflips,